Imagine having a stroke after cracking your neck. Cause that's what happened to a 23-year-old woman. She was watching a movie in bed when she stretched and cracked her neck. She heard a loud pop and soon after she couldn't move the left side of her body and her face was drooping. She was having a stroke. According to experts, cracking your neck can sometimes tear an artery in the neck, causing a blood clot which prevents blood flow to the brain. She was rushed to a hospital and she survived, but she had to go through a long recovery process and even had to relearn how to talk and walk. Cracking your neck seems harmless, right? But if you have any symptoms like headache or dizziness after doing so, then seek medical help right away.